Here at 5 o'clock, we begin with a busy day in federal court today. A number of important rulings being handed down on various cases, all involving Operation Midway Blitz. NBC5 Charlie Wojciechowski covering everything for us. He's standing by live at the Dirksen Federal Building tonight to try to sort it all out. Charlie.
Well, Allison, I will start with the latest ruling, this one involving Marimar Martinez and Anthony Santos Ruiz. They were facing federal charges for an altercation involving federal agents. Those charges dropped after further investigation by the U.S. Attorney here in the Northern District of Illinois, Anthony Boutros. Now, as far as the other cases, there was also another hearing in another part of this very same building. That one left the future of about 100 or more than 100 detainees in doubt. The fate of hundreds of detainees is on hold tonight after the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals temporarily halted their release. The immigrants were detained as part of Operation Midway Blitz. Their release had been ordered by U.S. District Judge Jeffrey Cummings while they challenged their arrests, saying they violated the consent decree that limits so-called warrantless arrests. The Trump administration challenged the ruling, which affects about 450 people who were arrested in the Chicago area and held at the Broadview facility, saying the district court's order subject the government to burdensome, costly, and intrusive mandates, including training, documentation, and reporting requirements, and cripple the government's renewed implementation of the nation's immigration laws after years of non-enforcement. The appeals court has set December 2nd for arguments in that case. In two other cases, the government appears to be backing off its original allegations. Today, U.S. Attorney Andrew Boutros submitted a motion to dismiss felony charges against Dana Briggs. The 70-year-old veteran was pushed to the ground by federal agents September 26th outside the ICE facility in Broadview. On video, it can be seen falling backwards onto the pavement. He was charged with assaulting a federal officer, charges he denies. Boutros also filed a motion to dismiss charges against Marimar Martinez and Anthony Ruiz. Martinez was shot multiple times by Customs and Border Patrol agents, who claimed she rammed a federal vehicle and accelerated toward a CBP agent. A gun was later found in her purse. Body cam video from one of the agents contradicted their account of the confrontation. The U.S. Attorney's Office today is saying it is constantly evaluating new facts and information relating to cases and investigations arising out of Operation Midway Blitz.
I'm so grateful for you guys, for my family in the background. I'm just happy, I'm excited, you know.
These agents were lying about what happened. Ms. Martinez never rammed anybody. These agents hit Ms. Martinez. These agents jumped out and shot Ms. Martinez, a U.S. citizen whose only crime was warning her fellow community members that ICE was in the neighborhood, acting in the way that multiple judges in this building have said is unlawful.
Now, as far as the charges against Ruiz and Martinez, they will not be refiled. They were dismissed with prejudice in this case. Also, she's going to get back her purse, the handgun she had, but she's not going to get back that car because it is part of another federal investigation. Reporting live at the Dirksen Federal Building,